In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Vitals app within your Shopify store. Now, Vitals is a powerful Shopify app that combines multiple functions into one, making it an incredibly efficient tool for any online retailer to enhance their store's performance. From managing reviews to creating bundles with artificial intelligence assistance, Vitals truly covers a lot of ground. So let's dive right into setting it up to ensure you can easily take advantage of all these amazing features. We'll begin by heading over to the Shopify App Store. If you're not familiar with where to find this, don't worry, it's quite simple. Just open your Shopify dashboard and look for the Apps section. Once you're there, you'll see an option to visit the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on that. It will redirect you to a new page where you can explore a wide range of apps designed to elevate your online store. Once you've arrived at the App Store, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This is your starting point for finding specific apps quickly. Type Vitals into the search bar and hit Enter. In a few moments, you'll see a list of results related to your search term, and our focus is the app titled Vitals Reviews Bundles AI. Clicking on this option will take you to the app's detail page. At this point, you'll get a clear overview of the app's features, user reviews, and pricing plans. I encourage you to take a moment to read through these details so you have a better understanding of what Vitals can offer to enhance your Shopify store. Once you're ready to proceed, you'll spot a button that says Add App. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be prompted to confirm the installation. This step is crucial because it ensures the app receives the necessary permissions to function optimally within your store. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the installation. It's all quite straightforward, but if you encounter any confusion, it may help to revisit the app's page in the store for further instructions or to contact their support team for assistance. After the installation is complete, you'll see Vitals appear in your Shopify apps list. From here, you can start exploring its powerful features. Whether it's setting up product reviews, creating unique product bundles, or utilizing AI for personalized customer experiences, Vitals is now ready to be utilized to its full potential. And there you have it. Installing the Vitals app is just that easy. You've taken the first step toward optimizing your Shopify store with an app that streamlines numerous functions into a single efficient platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're now feeling confident about diving deeper into how Vitals can transform your e-commerce experience. Until next time, happy selling!